smash that like button. Woo!
Like and subscribe.
View from the window. That's our view. It's Sunday morning, slightly overcast. The church car park is full. You get used to everybody growing cabbage. Ooh, all the way down the wall. Difficult to show how many wild lilies there are in this valley. Loads and loads and loads. Ooh, and we head off onto something that looks more like a path. Fantastic. Hello, you. What is it? Take us off the road onto our own path. Lovely. Good morning, day 4. So today is quite a short day into Ponte de Lima. Deliberately short because it's actually a place we want to go and do a bit of sightseeing, so it gives us half a day to do that. But the weather forecast for today is sort of overcast and drizzly, so it is what it is. But yeah, yesterday was a much longer day than we thought. All the guidebooks said it was about 22k, and it was about 25k. So a little bit longer, but we stayed in a beautiful place. Had a home cooked meal by the owner, Pilgrim meal, really nice. But today, as I say, a shortish day, and let's see where the day takes us. Just a lovely path down the valley in the eucalyptus forest.
Caminho.
Bom dia. Bom dia.
Caminho.
More traditional coloured wisteria. All sheltering. We get to see more shrines. And this one has a water fountain. Probably needs filtering. Yeah, you get vehicles even on these tiny, tiny roads. Whole troop of workers. We're on a charity walk or something. You're a silent assassin. Here we go, this has got both together. The ancient granite and the modern concrete for your vines round the edge of your field. Who's popping out? Goats, just off the trail. Another great mosaic. Obviously it's Portugal, so they're big tiles. Pilgrimage to Santiago Compostela. The 11th century. Tiny place. Storks. Totally covered in ivy. Yeah. This would be amazing in the summer, covered by vines. And we finally get to the River Lima. Clearly a man-made piece down here to slow everything down. And a whole load of sandbanks. And in the distance, probably the medieval bridge. One side of the bridge. And that's the other side. Coming into Ponte de Lima Sunday market. Sunday flea market probably. But it's all sort of bric-a-brac. The legend of the Roman soldiers marching across the river. Slightly bizarre. Why is there a red telephone box, normally found in the UK, in the middle of Portugal? Pulling his troops across to prove the legend doesn't exist. So that's the medieval bit of the bridge, and behind us is the Roman bit of the bridge. Ponte de Lima. It's a busy town. Huge car park between the town and the river, and where all the trees are is where the market is. All the way down. This is your entrance. Here we are, 45 euros. Your own bathroom, in beds. Not a bad deal.
I do find these confusing.
Smash that like button. Woo!
Like and subscribe.